Hey, I'm Skip Bedell. Today I'm going to show you how to finish an edge using Palisade L trim. An L trim is one of 3 types of trims offered to match the Palisade tile finishes. L trims are used to cover existing exposed tiles. Like the letter L, they're designed with one edge longer than the other. For example, in this project we want to finish off the edge that includes the old tile that we're not removing and the new Palisade tiles that are going over it. The extra length of this trim will work well in this situation. After you measure and cut the trim to the desired length, dispense a thin bead of adhesive to the substrate side, and then dispense a thin bead of sealant to the Palisade side of the trim. Now press the trim into place. If the trim doesn't stay in place, you can use some masking or painter's tape to hold it into place until the adhesive dries. For more information, check out palisade-tiles.com.